To a very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, I hope all of you enjoyed your holidays. Now this one is the time for revision of your first unit test. So all of you first online unit test. So all of you be careful for that and learn the question and answers of two chapters of English reader Honeysuckle and one chapter of your supplementary reader. All the three chapters are coming in your exam. So students, in this exam, I hope all of you understand. You get the questions of MCQs as well as fill in the blanks, true false, matchups, and unseen passage. I hope all of you understand the meaning of unseen passage. Unseen passage means, first of all, we are giving you the passage, a long passage, and after that, some questions are there through which you need to find out the answers of that particular question. So, now today, what we are going to do, we are going to do a unseen passage in which the questions are there. You have to find out the answers of that particular question, and now today I am going to answer you the questions of that particular answer of those questions, but in the exam you have to find out yourself, right? So students, the question paper is like what we need to do in question paper. I tell you, the MCQs are there. MCQs, I hope all of you understand the MCQs because we already done the MCQs uh, before taking a holiday. Before taking a holiday we have done the MCQs, so many MCQs, and you have to learn all the MCQs. And if anybody don't have the MCQs, you have to contact with your classmate. And the fill-ups are also necessary. MCQs plus fill-ups plus matchups, and in matchups the word meanings are there, and write the meaning of given words. Meaning I already tell you the meanings. And then after the passage in which you have to find out the answer of the questions, below questions, then short answer type questions, very short answer type questions, and the long answer questions, right? So you need to answer, you have to attempt of all the questions and sequence wise. And yes, you have to write the questions also whenever you are going to do the your paper. The paper is about near about 1.5 hour, so you need to complete your work in 1.5 hour. After that you have to send me that particular uh, photo of your answer sheets in my personal WhatsApp number after completing the question paper, right? We send you the question paper, and before starting the paper, not before starting the paper, I request to you, if you have a time today itself, you have to read all the instructions, whatever the instructions forwarded by me in your class group. We already forwarded the notice as well as the instructions how to do a question paper, right? So I hope all of you understand. If anybody not be able to understand, they can call me in my personal number. This one is the personal number. You can call me anytime so that I clarify your doubts, right? So now what we have to do today we'll take one paragraph, and then after some questions you have to learn these questions and answers. And you can do one thing, no need to note it down in your copies, you have to find it out yourself. After writing the answers of the question, you have to check out that your answers are correct or not. So now I am going to read out the passage, so listen carefully, the passage in which you have to find out the answers of the questions. So let's start the passage. The passage is like this. We must do all we can to stop conflicts and civil war. Most conflicts happen in poor countries, especially which are badly governed or where power and wealth are not distributed fairly between different terrible and religious groups. So, the best way to check fighting is to make a political arrangement in which all groups have their respective. The need is to ensure human rights and economic development of all. The next fundamental freedom is one that is not mentioned in UN chart text in 1945. The leaders could not imagine that such a situation would arise. That is the freedom of future generation to live on this planet. Even now, many of us have not understand it's important. We are using up the limited resources of our present use. We are overusing and even wasting them. We are in fact robbing our children of their right to live. We must preserve our forest, fisheries, and wildlife. All of these are collapsing because of our own habit of consuming or destroying them. So I hope all of you understand the meaning of this one. This one is all about the wildlife which is in forest. So what we have to do, we have to preserve the wildlife. That's why government has made so many wildlife sanctuaries in our India. So let's learn this paragraph once again. We must do all we can to stop conflict and civil war. Most conflict happen in poor countries, especially which are badly governed or where power and wealth are not distributed fairly between different tribal or religious group. So the best way to check fighting is to make a political arrangement in which all groups have their respective. The need is to ensure human rights and economic development of all. The next fundamental freedom is one of that is not mentioned in the UN charter. In 1945, the leader could not imagine that such a situation would arise. That is the freedom of future generation to live on this planet. Even now, many of us have not understand it's important. We are using up the limited resources of our present use. We are overusing and even wasting them. We are in fact robbing our children of their right to live. We must preserve our forest, fisheries, and wildlife. All of these are collapsing because of our own habit of consuming or destroying them. Means in this paragraph, the paragraph told you we are going to consuming and overeating the wildlife, overusing the wildlife. So what we have to do, we have to stop it. Now the questions are arising. The questions are, why do most conflicts happen in our poor countries? What is the best way to check conflict? What is mean by freedom of future generation to live? How are we robbing our children of their basic rights? What must we preserve for our children? So this one is the paragraph. In this paragraph, what we need to do is we have to find out the answers of the below questions. So questions are like I tell you. The questions are like why do most conflicts happen in poor countries? first question. Second question, what is the best way to check conflicts? What is mean by the freedom of future generation to live? How are we robbing our children for their basic right? What must be preserved for our children? So these are the questions. Now I am telling you the answers of the questions. The answers of the questions are like what you need to do is you have to write these in your rough copy. No need to note it down in your fair copies. You have to write it down in your rough copies, right? So I tell you the answer of these questions. So all of you once again you have to read out the question and answers. I hope all of you have done this. These are the questions, and this one is the paragraph through which you have to find out the answers. Right? I tell you the answers in my next video, so please watch the next video as well. Thank you.